desert model. So let me show you my desert model. This is a sand dunes. Sand dunes are small hills of sand. This is a camel, the sheep of the desert, and this is a human who's taking the camel. They're getting up the hill. This is an oasis, where we're on the second source of water in the desert. The other one being a canal or any river. As you can see, we put vegetation because, where there is water, there is vegetation. At least a little bit, even in a scorching desert. The crops grown here, or the main two crops, are wheat and grams. This is a cactus. The only vegetation in desert. And these are trees that grow near this place. As you can see, at this place, that there is even more very different color of vegetation. Well, that's because different types of vegetation grow in different types of places. I hope you all like my project. Bye guys.